Hey everyone, today is Tuesday, August the 9th. My name is Rafi Parajan, currency analyst at xm.com, here to provide you with your Forex news update. The dollar was flat in Asian trading on Tuesday as major currencies were struggling for direction in thin summer trade. The greenback was unable to advance beyond 102.65 against the yen yesterday and was stuck around 102.35 yen for much of today's Asian session. The euro was also steady and hovered around $1.1080 for a second day. There was a little reaction to mixed German trade data out earlier. German exports rose by a less than expected 0.3% in June, but imports rose faster than forecast, supporting the view that domestic demand in the Eurozone's largest economy remains robust. The pound was more volatile though, as it came under pressure from comments by Bank of England policymaker. Writing in the Financial Times, MPC member Ian McCafferty said bank rate can be cut further, closer to zero, and quantitative easing can be stepped up in response to last week's monetary easing by the British Central Bank. Sterling fell below $1.30 in Asian session today for the first time in 4 weeks and was last trading at $1.2971. It was also weaker against the euro at £0.8537 per euro. Positive retail spending data for July by the British Retail Consortium provided little support to the pound today. In China, the annual rate of inflation met expectations in July to rise by 1.8%. There were doubts, however, whether the subdued price pressures would be enough to prompt the People's Bank of China to cut rates as producer prices fell at the slowest rate in 2 years. Producer prices were down 1.7% year-on-year in July, beating estimates of a 2% drop and up from minus 2.6% in June. The yuan was steady though in onshore trading today at 6.6617 per dollar. The Australian dollar lost some ground against the greenback today after the latest NAB business sentiment survey showed business conditions fell in July. The Aussie hit a low of 0.7621 after the data, but had rebounded slightly to 0.7641 in late Asian session. In commodities, crude oil prices reversed some of yesterday's gains on profit taking, with WTI oil futures down almost 1% at just under $45 a barrel. Prices were boosted yesterday on renewed calls for a production freeze and comes ahead of an informal meeting by OPEC members in September. Looking ahead to the rest of the day, UK industrial output and trade figures will come in focus in the European session, while in the US session, labor costs and productivity data out of the US will be watched. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.